Imagine a world where you could design a robot. You could train it in a virtual city. This city would mirror the complexities of our own. This is not science fiction. This is the power of NVIDIA Omniverse AI. Omniverse AI is transforming how we interact with technology. It blends artificial intelligence with sophisticated three-dimensional simulations. This essay will explore Omniverse AI. We will delve into its capabilities and impact. We will examine its mechanics and real-world applications. Finally, we will glimpse into the future possibilities it unlocks. This is just the beginning of a new era. Join us as we explore the revolutionary world of Omniverse AI. NVIDIA Omniverse is a powerful platform. It allows for three-dimensional simulation and collaboration, but it is more than just a design tool. Omniverse AI integrates artificial intelligence into these simulations. This creates something remarkable, realistic digital twins. Imagine training a robot. It navigates a virtual warehouse. This warehouse is indistinguishable from a real one. This is the power of Omniverse AI. It allows for training and testing in risk-free environments. Omniverse AI is not just for robots. It can simulate self-driving cars. It can model complex systems like factories and cities. The possibilities are limitless. Omniverse AI is a game changer. It offers several key advantages. It accelerates AI training. It fosters real-time collaboration. It enables the creation of powerful digital twins. AI algorithms thrive on data. Omniverse AI generates vast amounts of synthetic data. This data trains AI models faster and more efficiently. This means quicker development cycles. It leads to more robust and reliable AI. Collaboration is key in today's world. Omniverse AI allows teams to work together. They can work on the same three-dimensional model simultaneously. This is regardless of location. Designers, engineers, and AI specialists can collaborate seamlessly. Digital twins are virtual representations of physical assets. They are created using real-world data. Omniverse AI takes this a step further. It allows these digital twins to interact with AI agents. This enables optimization and problem-solving in a risk-free setting. Section 4. Under the Hood, the Mechanics of Omniverse AI. Omniverse AI is built on powerful technology. One key element is Universal Scene Description, or USD. USD is a framework that handles complex 3D data and ensures seamless collaboration between different software. NVIDIA's Isaac Sim is another crucial component. It is a simulation platform specifically designed for robotics. Isaac Sim allows developers to train and test robots in realistic virtual environments. Real-time physics and rendering are vital. They ensure accuracy, and Omniverse AI excels in this area. It provides realistic simulations that are almost indistinguishable from the real world. Interoperability is paramount. Omniverse AI connects with popular tools, including Blender and TensorFlow. This allows developers to leverage their existing workflows. Section 5. Omniverse AI in Action, Real-World Transformations. Omniverse AI is already making waves. It is being used across various sectors, and its impact is being felt in manufacturing, robotics, and urban planning. BMW, the automotive giant, uses Omniverse to create digital twins of its factories. This optimizes production lines, identifies bottlenecks, and improves efficiency. In the realm of logistics, Omniverse AI trains robots. These robots work in virtual fulfillment centers, learning to pick and pack orders, preparing them for the complexities of the real world. Smart cities are utilizing Omniverse AI to optimize 5G network coverage and create efficient traffic flow simulations. This leads to better urban planning and resource management. The energy sector benefits too. Omniverse AI simulates energy grids, predicts outages, and optimizes energy distribution, creating a more sustainable and resilient energy infrastructure. Section 6. A glimpse into the future with Omniverse AI. The potential of Omniverse AI is vast. As the technology matures, its applications will expand exponentially. Imagine entire cities simulated in Omniverse. This will revolutionize urban planning. Healthcare is another promising field. Surgeons could practice complex procedures on virtual patients, improving surgical outcomes. AI-powered avatars are on the horizon. These avatars will interact with us, learn from our behavior, and revolutionize customer service, education, and entertainment. Omniverse AI allows us to innovate in a safe virtual space. This will lead to breakthroughs and shape the future. Section 7, Omniverse AI, the dawn of a new reality, NVIDIA. Omniverse AI is a groundbreaking platform. It bridges the gap between the physical and virtual worlds. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It is a tool that empowers us to create, innovate, and transform. What would you create with Omniverse AI? The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. The future is here. It is time to embrace the transformative potential of Omniverse AI. Explore Omniverse AI. Unleash your creativity. Join us in building the future.